Loves. I'm Julie. I'm going to show you how to change the battery out of a key fob. What we're going to do is we're going to replace this battery out of this dead key fob. The first thing we're going to do is the very top right here, there's a button. You want to push down on the button to release this key so it pops out. Grab a screwdriver, and we are going to put the screwdriver a little bit in there, and we're going to get it in there and twist it to pop this off. Battery's right there. It's a 2032. You can get these batteries at any location. You can get these batteries at a grocery store or a variety store. You can just take that out. And we're going to replace it with another battery, the new battery. Pop that right back in. Put the top back in, and it will just snap right back in. Back. And that's what we do to replace a Dodge key fob.